In this video, we will see how to turn your presentations into videos. So let's see the steps. It will work like this. Open a blank video page. Click on elements. In the search box, let's search for Spain. Let's select this image, place it here and increase its size up to the size of page. Click on BG remover to remove its background. So background is removed now. Now again go to the search box and here search for sky. Let's select this image, place it here and increase its size up to the size of page. Right click, click on layer, send backward. You can see that background has been changed now. Now click on text, add a heading, change the heading and change its font. Let's select this font. Click on color. Let's change the color to white. Increase its size like this and place it here. Right click, click on layer, send backward. Text is behind the image now. Now click on layer, show layers. You can move it and increase its size. Now increase its size like this and click on layers, show layer. Select this text layer and move it in the upward side like this. Now click on elements, search for like grunge, click on photos. Let's select this photo, increase its size up to the size of page. Now in the search box, search for Spain. Under photos, under graphics, let's select this one. Now increase its size and click on animate. Let's select tumble, increase intensity, click on right direction, then close. Now duplicate this page and move it in the upward side like this and change its transparency to 0. Now bring this image in the canvas area. Increase its size. Duplicate this layer. Show layer. And now bring this text here. Now again duplicate this page. Click on layer, show layers and select this layer. Move it down. Like this. Now select this layer and move in the upward side like this. Now select this layer, click on transparency to 0. Now click on font color, change color to blue, reduce its size. Click on elements. In search box, search for frame. Click on all. Let's select this frame. Place it here. Duplicate this frame like this and duplicate again. Now in the search box, search for Spain. Click on photos. Let's select this image and place it inside this frame. Again, let's select this photo and place it inside this frame. And one more image we need to select. Let's select this image and place it inside this frame. Click on page animation. Select match and move. Increase duration. Apply between all pages. Now when you play, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.